Here we have another simple question which states that which of the following is termed as the minimum error code? The options given are A. Binary code, B. Gray code, C. XS3 code, and D. Octal code. We shall first understand that the reflected binary code, also known as the gray code, is an ordering of the binary numeral system in such that two successive values differ only by one digit. Errors are minimized because each change to the next number is by only one digit. Here we can see an example of the gray codes. For 2-bit it is 0001 1110. So each step there is only change in one digit. And for the first step it 0 changes to 1. Then for the next step this 0 changes to 1. And then for the next step this 1 changes to 0. So changes are one step and one bit at a time. So even in 3-bit it is the same, and 4-bit it's also the same case. It almost is reflected at a midpoint, so it is also known as reflectory binary code. And the correct answer to the question is option B, gray code.